Don't worry, I got him. Dog owner who ain't got him. Welcome home, parents. Do you like what I've done with the place? Me when literally anyone comes over. Hey, look at this super cool thing my dog can do. Having to pay $20 for a nice thing for yourself. Paying $60 for a nice thing for your dog. Other people. I do not let my animals on my furniture. Me. I saw my favorite dog outside the grooming salon yesterday. She looked shocked that I don't live in the salon 24/7. My dog isn't used to me being home during the day and is just staring at me from different places around the house. Sleeping in a bed with dogs. Expectation. Reality. When your dog eats your philosophy homework. When your human says, "Who's a good boy?" and you already know it's you. Me. Gets on the floor to do crunches. My dog's thinking I got on the floor to cuddle. When you hear someone breaking into the house but you always get into trouble for barking. Barks internally. When you're a strong independent puppy who don't need no owner. My dog when I yell at him a little too loud. Trade offer. I receive infinite rubs and food. You receive me. Me, making a turkey sandwich. My dog, expecting a slice. Right, I'm not allowed on the furniture. Gotcha. But my family is sleeping. I said bark. Beds when a dog tries to sleep on it. Beds when the dog spins around a couple of times before sleeping on it. Me checking the vet bill. Please don't be high. The vet bill. My dog has unlimited food, water, shelter, and love. Front door open. My dog. Human in danger. Robbers. Actual apocalypse. Small potato chip fragment hitting the floor. Hello, I see you have a burrito. I also happen to love burritos. When you don't need no human to tell you you're a good boy. I put this donut pillow on my dog 20 minutes ago and he loves it and won't let me take it off. Them. Your dog is not your child. Me. He loves digging holes. And then sitting in them, staring at everybody. If your dog poops, pick it up please. Yes, I've been having fun. Why do you ask? This happens every time I get audibly frustrated. He's a therapy dog at heart. This is the last thing I saw before I was overwhelmed with love. Me. Accidentally steps on a squeaky toy. My dog. Postman. Delivers something to my house. My dog. Now this is an Avengers level threat. When you're trying to play fetch with your dog but he is playing tug of war instead. No, no. You're still holding on. Let go. Waving to my neighbor after screaming at my dogs for the 100th time to come back inside. My dog when he sees a squirrel. My dog when he meets a potential serial murderer. My dog's face when I go back in the house after I forgot something. Me. Eating last bite of pizza. My dog. My dog as I pour him the same food he's eaten 2,555 times. A blessing from the Lord.